anything is better than nothing. Y'all, we got to start saving money this year. We can't just spend. And you can spend, but you got to save too. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to save some money. It's 2026, new year. I know everybody got a New Year's resolution, goals, all that. And I know money is included in that. And some people say I'm the best saver on the planet. So I can teach y'all how to save some money, which is actually what I'm about to do now. I got 6 different ways for y'all to save money this year. Whatever is best for you, that's what you choose. If saving is one of your goals, or if you have a goal that you want to get something, you want to make a big purchase, but you have to save towards it, you can use this for either one of those. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're trying to get 600 subscribers. We're at 576 currently. Leave me comments of other videos y'all want to see this year, because I'm making my schedule now, and I'm trying to see what type of videos to put out. These are actually challenges, some of these that I have done over the years myself, so I know they work. Okay, so this is the first little savings challenge I have for y'all. So I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get 100 empty envelopes, and then you're gonna number those envelopes 2 to 200, even numbers only. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Not 3, not 9, even numbers only. 2 all the way to 200. And then you're gonna put them in a little box or whatever. And then every day, this is a daily challenge. When I did it, it was a 90-day challenge. You can do it every week or twice a week, however you see fit. But you're gonna grab an envelope out of the box. Whatever number is on that envelope, you put that amount of money in it, put it away. After 200 days, you should have, I think was this a $5,000 challenge? You gonna have some. I don't know how to do the math on that. I think this was a $5,000 challenge, but I can't exactly remember. I honestly don't remember. But anyway, you get the point. Pick an envelope, however much it says on the envelope, put it in the put the money in the envelope, put it back somewhere where you cannot easily access it. Because if you one of them people who have to if you have to put it in a bank or something, you know, do what's best for you. But that's a good challenge. I did that. I had even challenged my family to do it, and we all saved like a bunch of money. I don't know if we finished like doing the whole 200, but we saved a whole bunch of money doing that. I have not personally done this one, but this is a 52-week challenge, and at the end of this, you will have saved $3,000. So this is how it goes. Week 1, you're gonna save $40. Week 2, $50. Week 3, $80. Then week 4, 40, 60, 80, 40, 50, 80, 40, 60, 80, and so on. It just goes like that. It's going to be 40, 60, 80, 40, 50, 80. Basically the whole way down. And then at the end, you'll have saved $3,000 at the end of this year. So that's that challenge. And that'll be once a week if you do that. So that's a cute little fun challenge. You'll have $3,000 at the end of the year. Do whatever you want with it. I love like when a challenge is ending and then I get to decide what I'm gonna do with my money. I'll be so excited, like what I'm gonna buy. Or you can pay off some debt. Shoot, pay off some debt, pay a bill. Shoot, take a little vacation depending on how much you got. Yeah, so that's the 52-week challenge. The third one, this is gonna be a 52-week challenge, but it's at the end you're gonna save $6,890. This one is kind of for my big ballers, if you got it like that. The way it is, it's gonna increase in increments of 5 every week. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Yeah. So week 1, $5. Week 2, $10. Week 3, $15. Then 20, 25, 30, 35. Like it's just gonna keep going all the way until you get to week 52. The last deposit you're gonna make is $260. So it's gonna go up by 5 every week. And then at the end, as you can see, they did all the math for you. You're gonna have $6,890 saved. So I think that's a good one if you have a little more to work with. Like I said, this is dependent on you and how much you make and how much you can afford to save. So I want to give y'all multiple options. Okay, now this is 1 year savings challenge. Yeah, I think the first one I was talking about was a 90-day saving challenge, but you can make it to have, it don't have to be 90 days. It can be, you can do one envelope a week, you know, it just depends on what you want to do. Okay, now this one, let me see, how's it go? 1, 3, 6, 10. So what is it, 4? 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, so. Hold on. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 3. I don't get this. Okay, I'm gonna just put it up on the screen. I don't really know how they're adding it, but at the end of this one, you're gonna save $1,378, if I'm correct. So week 1, $1. Week 2, $3. Week 3, $6. And 10, 15, 21. Oh, it's going by 7, right? 21, 28, 30. Huh? But week 1 and 2, I don't know how they doing the math on this one. But honestly, my brain is not computing how the numbers are going up. 630, 666. So that's 36. I just put that on the screen as an option, and you do with that what you will. Like I said, these are just random screenshots that I have picked up over the years, and I have not tried this one, obviously, because I don't even know how it works. Okay, next we have saving $5,000 in a year. This was for somebody trying to buy a house. I just randomly screenshotted it. Okay, so this one, it works every 2 weeks. You would deposit the money. So week 1, $50. Week 2, $195. Week 3, $75. Week 4, $205. 85, 215, 95, all the way till you get to $325. This is gonna be every 2 weeks. That's kind of doable. Like I said, depending on your job and how much you make. And then at the end of the year, you're gonna have $5,000 saved. So that's pretty good. But if you want to do it every week, you're gonna have $2,500, right? Okay. Last but not least, this isn't a screenshot. This is just something I made up on my own when I didn't have a lot of money to save and I was just starting out. This is exactly what you're gonna do. If you're like, I don't have this much money, I don't have anything to put to the side, you can always save. Let me show you how. Okay, so first of all, to do this, you need to have a checking and savings account. I'm sure we all have that. You need to have online banking. I'm sure mostly everybody has that at this point. So what you're gonna do is, when I first started out, whatever, okay, let me give you an example. Say you have $300.50 in your account. You're gonna transfer the 50 cents from your checkings to your savings. You always want to make sure your checkings account is in an even number. So all the change you have, transfer it to your savings account every time you spend. When you go to the grocery store, oh, your total is some and 72 cents, and then they'll leave you with however much, 28 cents. If you have 28 cents left in your account, if you have $95.28, transfer the 28 cents from your checkings to your savings. Every penny will start to add up, and you can do that all year. That's first of all, it adds up quickly. I've done it myself. It adds up very quickly. Because if you're saying you don't have nothing to save, start small. Every cent. Your checking account should always end in 00, because all your change is going to go from your checkings to your savings account. So you can do that. And then one more thing I used to do is it was called a $5 challenge. And so basically, anytime you get cash money, you're going to take out $5 and put that somewhere in a savings account or in a box under your bed. You're going to take out $5 anytime you get cash. Somebody hand you $25, you take $5 out, you got 20 left, put the 5 in the box. So you always get a $5 bill. And you can even do this. I used to go as far as, because sometimes you don't get a lot of cash these days, but even if you get paid, like when you get paid once a week or twice a week, however much, just take $5, go to the bank or go to wherever you can. That's the word I was trying to think of. Go to somewhere you can get cash back, Dollar General, buy a candy bar or something. Get $5 off that machine. Take it out, put it under your bed somewhere. And that will add up very quickly. Every time you think about it, $5, oh, I need to get $5. And it's going to become a habit. Like you always going to be taking $5 out. If you do that once a week, let me see how much you'll have. Even if you do it once a week, at the end of the year, you're still going to have $260. That's $260 that you wouldn't have had. Anything is better than nothing. Y'all, we got to start saving money this year. We can't just spend. And you can spend. But you got to save too. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got to be saving something. And then at the end of the year, it's yours to do what you want. You want to pay a bill off, you got an emergency. Now, if it's an emergency, you got the money, so use it. But other than that, at the end of buy Christmas gifts, go on a trip, whatever you want to do. But I just wanted to give y'all a couple of ways to save money in 2026. I'm the queen of saving. Folks be like, how you saving this much money and you ain't got a job? I just told you. I just gave you 6 ways. I love saving money, and I hope y'all got something from this. If you have done a savings challenge before, comment down in the comments below. Let us know how much you saved and like how did it go? How was the process? And if you are planning on doing one of these, comment in the comments down below which one you planning on doing. I love y'all so much. I will see y'all this year. I'm gonna try to be more consistent, even though I am a college student and school starts back next Monday. But I'm gonna try to be more consistent with videos. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.